In a small, forgotten town, there was a forest no one dared enter. Legend had it that anyone who wandered in after sunset would never return. But curiosity got the best of Jamie and her friends on Halloween night. Armed with flashlights and nervous laughter, they stepped into the woods. The air grew colder as they ventured deeper, the trees seeming to close in around them. Suddenly, their flashlights flickered.
Welcome back to the channel, version 2.0 everyone. I made the short film you just watched using completely free AI tools, and in this video I will guiding you through every single step. You can easily monetize your channel by creating this type short film and earn thousands of dollars. Take this channel as example. With only 22 this type videos, they have earned almost 2 million views, 15,000 subscribers. All they do is make videos similar to the one you just saw. So, let the tutorial begin.
First of all, we need a good script, because every good story runs on a good script. For creating a good script, I prefer to use ChatGPT. After enter ChatGPT, give the prompt for creating 200 words, means 1 minute plus script. I will pin the prompt on comment section. If you want, check it out. Literally in some second, our script has been generated. Our script is ready now. Now I will ask it to give me prompt that I will give a text-to-image AI to give me images that will best suit the scenes. I will pin this prompt on comment section. After some time, it will be generated. Our prompts and script is ready. Now, let's bring this baby to life. After getting our script and prompts, it's time to get our visuals. Copy the first image prompt for Get Images. I like using my favorite free AI tool, Ideogram AI. This tool offers one of the best text-to-image results, and their free tier is very generous, as we can generate up to 30 images per day. Now paste here the image prompt, and choose the theme of the image you want to create. I will choose cinematic, vibrant, and dark fantasy, as it suits the genre of content we want to create. In few moments, we have our results, and they are pretty cool. We will just download our images and get the second prompt from ChatGPT and just keep copying and pasting. Repeat the process and download your images. All our images have been created. The tool did a pretty good job. Let's move over to the next step. After download all the scene image, the next step is to go over to ChatGPT and copy our initial script to get our voiceover. We will use my favorite free text-to-audio tool, Microsoft Clipchamp, as it offers decent voiceover for free. Click on Text-to-Speech. Just click on the Text-to-Speech feature, and then choose the voiceover you would like to use, and then paste your script. After a few moments, your voiceover will be downloaded. After it will done, click on Export. After a few moments, it will download it. Now our voiceover is ready. So now we have to go ChatGPT again and give a prompt for creating image to video suitable scenes. I will pin this prompt on comment section. After generated prompts, the next step would be to animate our images. We will use one of the best tools out there with a generous free monthly tier that gives you up to 30 free images to video generation monthly, RunwayML.
Click on Text or Video to Video. Leading to this interface, this is where Acrylic. Before the magic happens, the next thing we will do is to import our images and then write down what we want our images to do in the video we want to create. Just keep importing ChatGPT generated prompt. After click Generate, our results have been generated. It will take some time, and they are looking pretty cool. Then just download it. Please consider liking the video to help the algorithm push the videos to more eyes. You could also subscribe so that you will be notified whenever I release my free courses. The only payment I request is just your subscription or likes, as it would support my channel. Now back to the course. We will just copy prompt from ChatGPT and paste it on RunwayML with selected image and just keep copying and pasting. Repeat the process and download your videos. Just keep importing and giving your prompts. Our results have been generated and they are looking pretty cool. The next step is to import the audio Clipchamp gave us. That's why we're going to use Capcut. Clipchamp generates voiceovers in video format, but that's not a problem. We will just extract the audio from the video. After extracting the audio, delete the video format. Increase the voiceover volume all the way up. The last phase of the video production is the editing phase. We are going to use Capcut as our editing software. Just keep importing your new visuals into your Capcut dashboard. Capcut offers the best free version of editing software out there. There are other tools, but I prefer Capcut as it is very easy to use and offers some of the best free, robust effects, transitions, and animation. Capcut has a nice library of audios and sound effects, which is pretty cool and very helpful. Make sure to crop all of the sound effect audio to match the initial voiceover. You could add as many audio sound effects as you want. I normally like sticking with just 2 extra audio effects to avoid a noisy background sound. Always adjust the effects to be way lesser than the voiceover so that your voiceover will remain on top of all the other sounds. After the audio section has been sorted out, start importing your visuals to the timeline. After importing all of your visuals, it's time to add transitions. Transition help the change of scene appear more smooth. I will use the black and white smoke transition as it would suit this genre of video production we are making. Capcut has a wide library of transitions, so choose whichever one you find cool and you feel will suit the scenery. Keep adding transitions to make everything appear cooler and smoother. After the transition is completed, it's time to add some real-time sound effect. For our movie, we are going to use wind sound, dark horror sound, creepy laughing sound, etc. This sound suits for our movie. Capcut has own audio library, so it is much easier. Just search sound effect name and there will appear a lot of sound effect. Choose anyone and add them on your video. It makes your video much cooler and smoother. Just reduce the volume of this type sound effect. Now the last and final phase of the video production process is adding caption. Capcut has an auto caption feature, so we will just use that. Click on auto caption and click on generate. After a few time, it will be generated. Now there are so many font, template, animation, color, etc. You can customize it by own. Just choose the pretty and good one. I choose this one. I think that suits this video. After all done, click on export and it will be exported. In few moments, it will be downloaded. So our animated movie is ready now. Let's check the final look.
In a small, forgotten town, there was a forest no one dared enter. Legend had it that anyone who wandered in after sunset would never return. But curiosity got the best of Jamie and her friends on Halloween night. Armed with flashlights and nervous laughter, they stepped into the woods. The air grew colder as they ventured deeper, the trees seeming to close in around them. Suddenly, their flashlights flickered and then went out. In the pitch darkness, they heard whispers, soft, hissing voices speaking in a language none of them understood. Jamie felt a cold hand brush her shoulder. She spun around, but no one was there. Her friends' silhouettes were barely visible, their eyes wide with fear. Then, one by one, they started disappearing. First Lily, then Mark, and finally Sarah, their screams swallowed by the darkness. Jamie was alone, the whispers growing louder, more insistent. She ran, stumbling through the underbrush, her breath coming in ragged gasps. She saw the edge of the forest and sprinted towards it, but something grabbed her ankle, pulling her back into the shadows. The next morning, the town found Jamie's flashlight at the forest's edge. But of Jamie, there was no sign.